ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. You clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 29th of April. A little brisk out this morning. In fact, tomorrow morning might even be colder. Let's go to some Skycam shots early this morning. We have temperatures generally in the 40s across the state. There's a look at the view coming from Cullman. That camera on top of the water treatment facility just east of downtown. From Birmingham, we're looking south from the top of the Daniel building there. And from Gadsden, the lights of the city down below, and a clear, chilly morning. Water vapor satellite shot this morning. That big trough moving on to the east. That is the mechanism for delivering the cold air. And, yep, it's cold out over the eastern half of the country. Look at the 20s up north with the snow cover on the ground in the upper Midwest. We've got 30s down into Tennessee and even a few 30s in North Alabama. In fact, our Sky Watcher up at Black Creek, northeast of Gadsden, just checked in with 35. How about that? And again, tomorrow morning should be even colder in spots, as the wind tomorrow morning will be light. Convective outlooks, just one day outlook over the next 8 days, and that is day 3, which is Thursday. A slight risk of severe weather from the Red River up to Des Moines, and that would include Tulsa, Wichita, and Kansas City. And the QPF graphic, this is the expected rain. Pretty good numbers there showing up. This is valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. And this got a bullseye of 2.3 inches around Fayette. Now, I'm not so sure we get that much. The latest GFS suggesting we'll have a round of showers and storms Friday afternoon, Friday night, into Saturday morning. But the latest guidance has us drying out now Saturday afternoon and Sunday. So that might limit rain to 1 inch or so. Here's the modeling. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. The trough is sweeping off to the east. We got a dry northwest flow aloft and a beautiful sunny day, but a cool day with a high in the middle 60s. That's about 12 degrees below normal. Tomorrow, we start to warm up after a chilly morning. Tomorrow morning, with a clear sky and light wind, we think we'll hit upper 30s in many areas. And there could be a little frost in some of the colder valleys. We don't think it'll be an especially damaging frost, but just keep that in mind. We'll warm up into the 70s tomorrow, Thursday, becoming breezy with a southwest wind. We're expecting low 80s. And we note our new storm developing up there near Omaha. Friday, that thing is completely vertically stacked around Omaha. And there's the surface chart there. The moisture begins to move in here Friday. And again, the GFS seems to be a little faster with every run. So I think we'll just go ahead and mention a chance of showers and storms Friday without saying afternoon. It might be Friday morning as it begins to move in here. And obviously Friday night looks wet, and then now the model more progressive, and it shows drier air punching in here by midday Saturday. And if this trend keeps up, we'll obviously focus on the rain ending Saturday morning. And really, this is suggesting the best chance of rain will be from about noon Friday until 3 o'clock Saturday morning. And then Sunday looks bone dry now. And again, if this keeps up on the 12Z run, we'll take out the chance of rain for Sunday. And then Monday of next week, here comes the next impulse to the west. And then by Tuesday, we go wet. And Wednesday of next week, pretty good-looking trough coming in here, and that looks really wet. So first glance, looks like it could be a pretty good little midweek wet down next week. And then out there at the end of the cycle, or toward the end of the cycle, 4 days later, the 11th of May, nice-looking trough. That suggests wet and a little cooler. And then on the 14th, look at that, big vortex setting up over the east, and that would suggest temperatures below normal and some rain. So while we don't see any big severe weather threats here, we do certainly see some occasional rain opportunities and occasional shots of cooler air coming down the pike for the next 16 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.